Okay, February 27th, 2021. I'll get it right in a minute. About 3:40 in the afternoon, we've just pulled into Piedmont, Alabama city limits. Feels like about 60, maybe low 60 degrees. Definitely going to pull over and get these bumper cars off of us. Chief something, another trail. This is Alabama 9. We're headed north. Yeah, streets get wide. I can let these bumper cars by and I can slow down. Drive slow through town so y'all can see it better. So we can all see it better. I've never been here. We're exploring together. This looks more like a steeple than a courthouse, or church steeple than a courthouse. But who knows? Gas $2.39. It's cheaper than I've run across. Civic Center. Yeah, that's the First Baptist Church. Of course, if this isn't the county seat, it won't be a courthouse, it'll be a city hall. The City Administration Building, Calhoun County. We're going to cut back across there and go through. This looks like it may be sort of like a bypass. We'll go through the main part of town here. We have stuff to eat, but I think the bread is old. Maybe a moldy, oldie bread. But I've got crackers, I've got fainas, I've got pork and beans, I've got tuna. I got all kind of stuff. There, it looks like a courthouse or a bank. Got a drive-through. Big bank. Put the post office down there. We're going to turn into the, well, we'll go right across. I think we want to go back down that little street. So this is obviously used to be a railroad track. There was a history marker sign back there, probably told about the depot. Farmers and Merchants Bank. That big building. We're going to turn in right here. Do we want to go in the grocery? I'm going to need some bread probably. We'll probably walk in there and get some bread. I'm going to check out this camera too. It doesn't seem like this screen doesn't look right today.